I retired from the Carson City Fire Department 5 years ago. We started this company 10 years ago. Kind of saw the need within the fire service. There were a lot of ventilation props that fire departments made that were homemade, but there really weren't a lot that were manufactured by other companies, and none that were unique as this, that were based on a trailer and then would open up and make a big platform and do all the things it does. The main portion of it is a ventilation prop or a roof prop. It opens up and makes a very large platform of a roof, which will go to all different kinds of pitches for getting up there and cutting ventilation holes for structure firefighting.
When a fire occurs in a structure that's not opened up yet, they need to let the smoke and the hot gases and the toxic gases out of the structure, so that firefighters can enter and have a clearer path and be able to see better, less heat. It's more tenable for them to enter that, and mostly to prevent what they call a backdraft explosion. So if there's a gas buildup and hot gas and hot embers inside a structure with and the oxygen level has decreased below 16%, then we need to ventilate the top side so it goes up and out like it would in a chimney, versus if somebody opens a door at the same level as the fire, it's going to let in air and it's going to cause a huge, what we call a backdraft explosion, which can be very deadly to the students and future firefighters.
With 100 units worldwide, the Fire Academy's new fire vent is a 31-foot trailer, which is 24 feet long and 12 feet wide. It can reach a roof height of 17 feet. It is built for safety and can accommodate 9 cadets at once.
Actually, the very first unit that we sold went to Lake Tahoe Community College, a college-level fire academy program. They bought our demo unit, and they really took off with it that way and helped us out. So that was our first one. And then now we've got a little over 100 of these particular kind of trailers out across the country, a couple in Korea, in Canada, and then we also have products in the Netherlands.
You can't really see it here, but there's support structures every 16 to 32 inches on a roof, and we want to walk on those because when we go on a roof, we're going to be 200 to 250 pounds with the weight of our body and the rest of our equipment. So we want to be able to be on those support structures and cut between those and across those without cutting the support structure, because that's what keeps the roof intact. So this will teach them how to do that. If they make a mistake, it's not that big of a deal because we can teach them and learn from it. But if they make that same mistake at a fire, they could drop through the roof and die. This will help train the students and the cadets, I should say, that are in the fire academy, how to properly ventilate on a roof. And it's as safe as you can get. Like the gentleman mentioned earlier, the vendor, we don't do live fire training on this, but they can be on a flat roof, they can be on a very angled roof, and they need to learn all those skills in the fire academy in a safe environment, so that when they're up on an actual fire in a building, they know how to do it properly and how to look for the support structures and how to cut the holes properly. And they're going to get a lot of good training, and it's required by state fire training to teach the students how to ventilate properly. And this is the most capable unit that we could find that would allow that without rebuilding it every single time.